Tuwang-tuwa siya nung pagpunta niya sa bahay, nakita niyang nagluto akong pansit at saka lumpia. Talagang na-miss daw niya ang pansit. Parang isang taon na hindi pinakain. Kamote. Kamote lang yun guys. Nilagyan ko ng ube flavor. Tapos parang leche plan.
It's mine. Bye bye.
Stop.
Bye bye.
Try it. Bring it.
What?
Bring it here. Try it first. That's big.
Bye.
Oh my. How about Dawson? Maybe he wants to try. What did you say?
Nothing.
No, I was talking to
Oh.
Brayden.
I feel something, but poo it. Poo it. I feel something. Did you crack it? No.
I forgot to play with your tablet. With the... What do you call this?
Oh yeah, Plants vs Zombies.
Mm-hmm.
Planes.
Good morning guys, ito nga yung life namin ngayong summer. Ayan, naiinip yung dalawa. Kaya pagising sa umaga ay pinapayagan ko naman sila na manood ng TV or maglaro sa kanilang tablet or sa kanilang Xbox. Tapos after few minutes ay sinasabihan ko sila tama na. Pero magaling naman yung dalawa guys. Hindi talaga sila naiinis or nagagalit sa akin kapag sinabi kong time's up. Tapos dapat magligpit sila. So tinuturuan ko sila na magligpit ng kanilang sariling kalat. So kahit yung mga pinagkainan nila, kailangan ligpitin nila lahat ng kanilang mga laruan, mga gamit. And then, this summer ay tuturuan ko rin silang maglaba at maghugas ng, of course, hindi pa nila kayang gawin yan. So, parang laro-laro lang sa kanila, but it's okay kasi may natututunan sila kaysa sa manood ng TV, 'di ba? So, tinuturuan ko na rin sila magluto. Ayan, marunong na sila magluto ng itlog nila kaya minsan hindi niyo na nakikita sa vlog, minsan ay parang every other day ay sila nagluluto ng eggs nila, breakfast. And then minsan yun yung hinihingi nila for lunch. So, pinapayagan ko na lang. At ayun nga, very proud sila na marunong na daw silang magluto ng itlog. At itong dalawang magnanay, inip na rin siguro to sa bahay nila, sa buhay nila. Kaya naman, eto, pinapunta ko na lang dito sa bahay kasi nagyayaya sa park. Sabi ko dito na lang sa likod ng bahay namin at hindi pa nga kami nagsisipagligo at marami kaming ginawa kaninang umaga. So, pinaglaro na lang namin sila dito sa likod ng bahay at meron namang swing set yung kambal. So, parang nasa park na rin sila at pinakain namin ng snacks. So, ayan, hindi na sila naiinip. Pagkalis nga nila Bella ay sinabihan ko ang dalawa na maglalabas sila ng kanilang damit. At ito nga guys, sa ngayon ay iisa lang muna yung kanilang laundry basket. So, balak ko pag nag-school na sila, nag-kinder na ay tig-isa na sila para maging responsable na sila sa kanilang mga dirty laundry. Tinuruan ko yan sila last year pa na kailangan baliktarin yung damit nila kapag ilalagay sa laundry basket pero nakakalimutan nila. So ayan, sinabi ko bago ilagay sa loob ay baliktarin muna nila ang kanilang mga damit, pati na rin lahat ng mga underwear, socks and everything. So ayan, tuwan-tuwa naman yung dalawa. Parang naglalaro nga lang sila. O, tignan mo. Pero at least may natutunan sila.
Now what should we do?
Start on and off button. And then that's it. Start. Okay. Shut it now. Okay, put that in the... There's no package there.
Is it mail?
Look.
You, I can't. I'm small. I can reach. I am small.
Pagkatapos nga namin maglinis at maglaba guys, ay pumunta muna kami sa store kasi nakalimutan ko, kulang pala yung pangsahog ko sa pansit at panglumpia. So ayan, kasama ko yung dalawa palagi kahit saan ako magpunta ngayong summer. So yun nga yung mahirap kasi lagi kong kasama tapos mag-a-adjust na naman pagpapasok sa school kaya mamimiss ko yung dalawa. So sinusulit ko lang na summertime kasi next pasukan ay full time na sila sa schools. Konti lang naman ang bibili namin dito pero tuwan-tuwa yung dalawa pag nakakalabas at nakakapunta sa store. Buti na lang ay medyo malaki na nga sila at hindi na mahirap dalhin sa public. Hindi katulad dati na halos hindi ako makalabas kapag ako lang mag-isa tapos kasama ko silang dalawa. Kailangan talaga kasama ko si Tad dati pero ngayon medyo independent na rin sila at nakakatulong na nga sa akin. No? Ayan, tingnan mo. Gustong gusto nila yan mag-open ng plastic or maglagay ng prutas or di kaya gulay dyan sa plastic na yan. Yan yung gusto nilang gawin pag nag-grocery ako. At gustong gusto din nilang tumulong, ganyan. Kaso natatakot ako kasi baka ito yung mga itlog ay mabasag, mabitawan bigla. So magbabayad pa kami. At nakalimutan ko nga palang sabihin kay Tad na inimbitahan ko si Taylor na kumain sa bahay. Kaya magluluto akong pansit at saka siomay at lumpia kasi yun yung paborito din ni Taylor, di ba? Pero yun nga, hindi ko nasabihan si Tad kaya nagulat siya na pupunta dito. Pero okay lang naman yun sa kanya. Welcome naman dito si Taylor sa bahay. Yun nga, parang nung mga nakaraan kasi parang naiilang pa si Taylor kasi parang nahihiya siya or baka nagaantay lang siya na imbitahan ko. Panay kasi ang send niya ng kung ano-ano sa akin sa TikTok or sa text messaging. So, feeling ko nabuboard siya or baka nami-miss niya lang talaga pumunta dito sa bahay. Kasi syempre nasanay siya guys dati, diba na every other day nandito siya and then every other weekend. So, ayun, kaya naman ako na yung nag-text sa kanya. Sabi ko pumunta siya dito para kumain and then nag-oo naman siya. So, excited si Todd. He's already asking when he's
I didn't
Taylor
know what time.
coming.
The dinner looks like it's almost ready.
It's not. I haven't even cooked rice. You want rice? So do you want rice?
Wait, let's have rice with it.
Cynthia is cooking. Sahog ay ng pansit. Ang ingay ng mga anak ko. Excited din naman si Tad nung sinabihan ko na pupunta dito si Taylor. Ayun, biglang naglinis doon sa sala. Ako naman ay hindi pa tapos magluto pero naglilinis na ako dito sa mga hugasin. Kasi ako kasi pag nagluluto ako guys, diretso hugas. Ayoko nang makalat yung kusina. Para pagkatapos kong magluto, malinis din yung sink. So, walang kalat. Iba kasi si Tad pag nagluluto siya. Tinatambak niya lang lahat ng hugasan. Ang gusto niya, pagkatapos kumain, saka na lang maglinis. Pero ako kasi ayoko ng ganun. Kaya, ito habang nagluluto ay naguhugas din. What?
What's in your hand? What is that? Sapuputa. What is that, Mommy? Sapuputa out! Mommy, what is that I said?
The what?
That you was holding.
Toothpick.
Huh?
I got a toothpick in my hand. Who eat first? Who eat the lumpia first?
Is it hot?
Si Brayden hindi nakapag-antay.
Who
wants some pancit and rice?
Mommy. I want pancit and rice. I
Okay.
want pancit and rice. Mommy, what was you holding in your hand?
I'm trying to check if the siomai is...
What is in your hand, Mommy?
I said
A
a
toothpick.
toothpick. I'm checking it.
No, that was in your hand, Olio. This.
Lumpia. You don't know what is that?
No, I forget.
Oh, you forget. Okay. Just take the carrots. You don't have to eat the carrots.
Mom, can you give me carrots? Mom, can you give me carrots?
Yes. Calm down.
Yeah, ice cube go somewhere?
No.
No, it's out on the floor.
Guys, wanna try siomai?
What's siomai?
Huh?
Siomai.
You wanna try siomai?
What is it?
Like the dumpling that I made earlier?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna put some in the plate. Where you going, Dos? Look at it. This is Daddy. Jocelyn, hindi ba?
You didn't shower.
I did.
You're still wearing the same stuff.
I showered before Tita
Mommy
joined.
didn't shower.
I I showed
Yeah.
you before Tita Julie comes
She
here.
did.
Yeah.
Mommy did.
You gotta start showering every day,
Mommy
don't you?
did.
Oh, did she?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, Daddy did too. Where's mine? This drink. Oh. See? Leslie, your head is blocking the camera. Look. No one can see me. Mommy, no one can see me.
No one can see him. Guys, make sure you guys see Brayden.
Glasses blocking me.
Actually, it's good with sausawan, but
You
I
put
don't
it
know.
in?
Yeah, I don't know if you like it, so I'm just gonna make you try that. Okay, Dos. Careful. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Oh no. It failed.
Mm-hmm.
Don't.
What do you think, Bre? You like it? It's hot.
Well,
Lumpia is still the
Very
best.
hot. I still like this.
You like siomai?
Yeah. Mommy, you're the best cook.
Thank you, baby. What's your favorite food that mommy cooks?
Anything.
Everything?
Yeah.
How about you, Brayden? Am I the best cook? What is your favorite food that mommy cooks?
Everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Try ko na yung aking siomai.
Hey, that was fine.
Maganda naman yung kinalabasan na.
I'm coming at Loki's food party. What? It's Loki's food party.
It's good.
What's good?
Siomai.
So
more
mine.
things of tape.
Okay.
Hey, you want me to step over you?
Who?
Loki.
Why?
Oh, he wasn't moving. So I was like, you want me to step over you?
Why do you have a food pig?
Gotta smoke good for the ladies, huh, buddy?
You should
just do-
more.
Hey, you should
Hey,
just
Brayden,
do
look
one. You should like.
Brayden, look how dark you are compared to your sister. Or not that one, the face. Because your sister also is outside all the time, so it's kind of tan. Taylor, you belong in the Philippines when you go back.
I have a shorts tan line. My legs are tan-ish
Itim na
from
si
like.
Taylor.
Yeah. Show you. Show
I
you.
see.
Show
See it? Oh, I have a soft tan line too.
you.
Ayaw pa alisin ni Loki si Taylor. It's okay, Loki. Come on. Loki, come on. Get in here. Come here. Taylor will come back again. Come here. Bye, Taylor. Come on, Loki. Come on. All right, good. Come on, let's go to the garden, Loki. Go. Go. Good job.